Welcome to OETV, where we talk design, branding, and a lot of other marketing related topics. My name's Adam, and today we're going to be diving into brand values. Values might seem obvious, but it's actually the most essential part of a brand. They act as the building blocks for all of the elements that go into building a business. They're made up of the why, the how, and the what behind everything your business does. At Orange Element, we call it the golden circle. Begin by asking yourself why. Why does your business exist? What need is there that your business exists to fulfill? If you can answer this question, then you've effectively identified your business's core purpose, or the foundational values and beliefs that drive the way that you do business. The next thing you should ask yourself is how. How are you making sure that these beliefs and values are being put to practice? How are you communicating these values to your employees, to your customers? As you go to answer this question, a really good place to start is by looking at your own organizational culture, or the everyday interactions you have with your customers, with your employees, the internal processes you use, or even the way that your employees interact with one another. Ensuring that these values are infused into each of these aspects will help set the foundation for a scalable model that your business can grow into the right way. Finally, ask yourself what? What's the expected outcome of a customer doing business with you as opposed to any of the many alternatives out there? Each business is unique in its own way, and it's important for you to understand and own the characteristics of your business that set you apart. Answer these few questions, build your brand around them, and you can be sure that you're operating a business that you believe in. This is really important because to build a strong brand, it doesn't happen overnight. You really have to find your own motivation. If you've got any questions, feel free to comment below and stay tuned for our next episode where we'll be talking about brand voice.